Hi guys, so today I'll be doing this May-June 2020 May-June 2020 0580 paper 4 variant 2. So yeah, let's get straight right into it. Today I'll be discussing, I think it's question 5. Yeah, this one. Today I'll be discussing bearing and also trigonometry. So bearing and trigo. Right, so let's start. So the diagram shows a field ABCD. Sorry. The bearing of B from A is 140 degrees. C is due east of B and D is due north of C. AB is 400 meters, BC is 350 meters, and CD is equals to 450 meters. Okay, so it's already labeled. So first question, find the bearing of D from B. So what I can suggest you to do, you draw a line between D to B. You draw the two lines that connects the point B, and point D, which is here lah. So bearing of B from D, that means the bearing has to be in clockwise. So that means B to D, that B. So from point B until it touches the line. So which is this angle right here. So to find this angle, I may need to find this angle and then I minus 90 degrees. So I can say that I have to find angle CBD. So to find angle CBD, you may need to use SOHCAHTOA. So for this one, it's going to be tangent. So let me just label, this is adjacent and this is opposite. So what can I say? Tangent CBD is equals to, so TOA, so it's 450 over 350. So angle CBD is equals to tangent, the inverse, 450 over 350. I think you will get, let me check, you will get 52.1 degrees. So if I want to calculate bearing D from B, that means you have to take 90 degrees minus 52.1 degrees. Your answer will be 37.9 degrees. This is your final answer. Alright, so it's quite easy, straightforward. Just do some SOHCAHTOA. Number 2. So calculate the distance of D to A. So let me just rub it off. Alright, so it says D to A, the distance, so that means we should be calculating DA lah. So which is here. What I will do, I will draw the line. As usual, draw the line, and then I'll draw this angle. So I know that this angle is 37.9. Okay. What can I say? Firstly, I think I will try to. I think we already know it's not a 90-degree triangle. That means SOHCAHTOA isn't gonna work here. We may have to use the sine rule or the cosine rule already. Alright, so firstly I might need to calculate BD, so I can say BD is equals to 450 square plus 350 square. So you press it in the calculator, 450 square plus 350 square, 50 root 130 or 530.09 cm. Alright, meters, sorry, meters. It's because it's in meters lah. So I know here is 570.09. I think if I calculate this angle, I can use the cosine rule since we have two lengths included in one angle. Alright, so I think I can calculate this, right? Because you see this bearing is 140. So that means I can say that this one is the total of this is 180 degrees. Why 180 degrees? Because angle in a parallel line, when they are corresponding each other, they sum up to 180. So I can say that 180 minus 140 is 40 degrees, and then I can say that angle DBA. So angle DBA is equals to 37.9 plus 40, which you will get 77.9 degrees. So here is 77.9 degrees. So I have two lengths included in one angle. I think I can calculate AD lah. We can use the cosine rule. So I can say that AD square is equals to, just sub in the formula, B square. Sorry, is it 350? Let me check. Oh no, it's 40570.09. Sorry, 40570.09. So 400 square plus 570.09 square minus 2 BC, the cosine of 77.9. So simplify here first. AD square is equals to 400 square plus 570.09 square. So let me just simplify as much as possible. 8.6081 minus, so here is 2 times 400 times 570.09 times cosine of 77.9. So 95601.15722. So AD square is equals to 48500.6081 minus 95601.15722. So AD square is equals to 389,401.4509. So AD is equals to, square root it, so 389,401.4509, 624.02, 624.02 meters. That's your final answer. Alright, so let's see the last question. John runs around the field. Let me just switch it up a bit, the color. So what I know for now is here is 624.02 lah. Alright. So it says that John runs around the field A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to A. Runs at a speed of 3 meters per second. Total time. So A to B. Do we have A to B? A to B, yes. B to C, C to D, D to A. Is it? A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A. So I actually already have all four lah. So 400, 350, 450. 400, wait, let me just, so A to B, I can write first. A to B, so speed is equals to distance of A to B is 400 over time. So can I say that the T is equals to 400 over 3 hours? 400 meters so meter per second lah, sorry, so second. So yeah, I already got AB. So BC, is 350. So I can say that 3 is equals to 350 divided by T. So the time is 350 divided by 3 seconds. So C to D I think is 450. Is it? Yeah, 450. So I can say that C to D, 3 is equals to 450 over T. So T is equals to 450 divided is 150 seconds. And last but not least, D to A, which we just calculated, 3 is equals to 624.02 over T. So T is equals to 624.02 over T lah. So 624.02 over T over 3, sorry. So your answer is 208. I'm just gonna round it up to nearest second. Okay. Okay, so I can say total is you take A plus B 400 over 3 plus 350 over 3 plus 150 plus 208. So 400 over 3 plus 350 over 3 plus 150 plus 208. 608 seconds. So 608 seconds. So 608 seconds to convert into minute is 608 divided by 1 minute has 60 seconds. So 608 divided by 60 minutes. So you will get 10.133333 lah. So 10 minutes and 0.13. So so I'm just going to write separately. 0.133 seconds is equals to, it says nearest second, right? Is equals to 0.1333 multiplied by 60. So 0.1333 times 60. Nearest second, that means here you will get 7.998 seconds, which nearest second 8 seconds. So your total time is 10 minutes and 8 seconds. That's all. Alright, so let me just give a quick preview. So it will ask you to calculate something, a bearing, because this is a bearing question, and then after that you might have to use the sine rule or the cosine rule, so you have to know both of them. Sometimes you will ask for the area, but this time it didn't lah. So and then lastly, this time it asks for the speed. So yeah, total marks you can get is 12 marks on here. Let me just put up the mark scheme real quick. So if you see the mark scheme, question number 5, give me a while. Here. Alright, so first question is this, they give a big range. My answer, is it on the range? Let me just check. Yeah, 37.9 is okay. And then it says 624 or 623.8. 624, okay, correct, it's okay. It says that they use they use the SOHCAHTOA. Yeah, SOHCAHTOA, but I didn't use SOHCAHTOA. I used cosine rule, which is okay as well. And then last one is just doing the minutes and seconds, and then 10 minutes and 8 seconds. So yeah, total 12 marks, and that's all. So thank you.